How to delete Cash App account. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. For this, just simply open up your Cash App account, then go to your profile by clicking on the top right hand side corner, and after that just scroll down. Over here you will be able to find the option of support. Simply select it, then wait for it to load. After that, in the search bar you have to search for close account. So let me search it up. Close. Just type close and it will appear. Select the very first option which says close your Cash App account. Simply click on it. Now read or go through this particular paragraph and you would be able to understand each and everything about it. After that, just simply click on this option of confirm. This way you would be able to delete your Cash App account, and that's how easy it is. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.